Welcome to the CHC Navigation AA6 Airborne LiDAR System First Time Use tutorial video. This video will guide you through LiDAR installation, pre-flight setup, as well as device storage and data copying. First, taking the X500 as an example, install the circular mounting compatible with the AA6 system onto the drone. Align the mounting with the screw holes on the underside of the X500, and use 4 M3 screws and 2 M1.6 screws to install it. Secure the mounting to the underside of the X500 using 4 M3 screws. Then connect the data cable to the drone body and fix it with 2 M1.6 screws. After removing the protective cover of the mounting, the LiDAR can be installed. Carefully take the AA6 LiDAR out of the case and check whether a storage card is installed. New devices come with a storage card by default. Remove the circular port protective cap and place it in the designated slot in the case to avoid loss. Gently lift the drone with your right hand and support the LiDAR with your left hand, aligning the white dot on the interface with the red dot on the mounting plate. Rotate the LiDAR clockwise until the red dots align, and you hear a click, indicating successful installation. After installation, power on the drone and remote controller and check the device status. Launch the SmartGo app on the remote controller. Click the top button to open data and privacy options. Then click Working Mode and select Airborne mode. Then click Create Project, enter the project name and confirm. Click OK and select the flight route type. Next, check the LiDAR authorization status in the settings next to payload type, and ensure it is valid before operation. Before operation, adjust drone settings as needed. Ensure the device type matches. Click the payload type option to view the device. Camera type is set to internal by default. The safe takeoff altitude and relative takeoff altitude can be set on the operation interface. And set the aircraft flight speed. On the payload interface, you can view the point frequency and rotation speed. Enable the Use Recommended Values option. The system automatically calculates them based on the flight settings, and it is generally fine to keep the default settings. If modification is required, disable Use Recommended Values. Relevant parameters can be adjusted in laser scanner setting. In camera settings, select cloudy or sunny mode. Resolution is auto-adjusted. After configuration, click Apply to complete pre-flight setup. Click Advanced Parameters on the operation interface. Enable the back forth route, keep the parameters default, and then click Save. Click the Takeoff button to proceed with flight inspection, and confirm that all parameter settings are correct. In payload status, set acquisition mode to automatic waypoint. After completing setup and uploading the route, ensure that the flight inspection is completed. Then the drone is ready for takeoff. After the drone completes the operation data collection, it is available to retrieve the drone. After operation, store the device in the case and proceed with data copying. Press the rear button on the mounting plate and rotate the LiDAR counterclockwise to remove it. Replace the protective cap and store the device in the case. Proceed with data copying next. During data copying, remove the storage card, insert it into a reader, and connect it to a computer for data copying. Do not use the cut function during copying to avoid data loss. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you for watching.